Hey, Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and you stumbled across this video because you're looking into buying an Azimut yacht, and it's my responsibility to make sure that you never overpay for whatever Azimut yacht you're gonna buy. So, to make sure you don't do that, there's a lot of numbers that you're never gonna come across in your research, but I'm gonna give you the biggest three really quickly. The first number that you need to know is the number 8. 8 months is how long an Azimut yacht typically takes to sell. Normally a yacht takes between 6 to 8 months. So as you approach the 8th month, the seller and especially the listing broker is going to begin to feel the heat. So you might be able to leverage this to your benefit as you cross that mark. The second number you need to know is 8.33. What is that number? That's how much an Azimut typically sells below its listed value. So right off the bat, take 8.33 off, and that should be your initial target price. And the third, the absolute most important number you need to know when buying any yacht, which I stress in all of my videos, is what the most recent Azimut that you're looking into buying sold for in the past. Instead of looking for what an Azimut is listed at or priced at or what comparables on the market are, you have to find out what they've actually sold for. So here's an example. You're looking at a 2014 64-foot Azimut Flybridge, which is currently listed for 1.8. But in my database, I know that that Azimut sold for 1.8 3 years ago. So how can you justify with depreciation and expenses and everything else to get the same price for the yacht what it sold for 3 years ago? You can't. And what happens is sellers don't want you to know this information. So you can get this information for whatever Azimut you're looking into purchasing by filling out the form below. You'll be doing yourself a favor, myself a favor, and everyone wins. You never overpay. So thanks so much for watching this video, and until next time, happy yachting, my friend.